Hi first graders, we're going to do our number corner today before we head into the weekend. So today is the 18th, our next number is 18, so I'm going to flip it over and see what we have behind our card. I'm going to flip it over and here we have our tens frame. And I know this is 18 because it has 10 dots in my tens frame and 8 dots, 8 red dots. So 10 plus 8 equals 18. If I move forward, today it says it's Friday. So repeat after me. Today is Friday, September 18th, 2020. Awesome. The next thing we're going to do is our days in school. So I'm going to use my marker here and color in another day of school. Here we know that this is 10 because there's 10 squares and another 10. And I know 10 plus 10 equals 20. And then if I count on, I go 20, 21, 22. So that is what I am going to write on my board here. I'm going to erase 21. Can you get your finger ready? And we're going to make a 22 together. All right, here we go. Around and to the ground. 20 around and to the ground. 22. I want you to think right now, what's an equation that equals to 22? If I look back at my chart, I know that I colored in 20 squares right here and 2 more. So I can write an equation that says 20 plus 2 equals 22. Awesome. The last thing we're going to do is our nickel and penny poem. Repeat after me. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat. You're worth 5 cents. I know that. Yep. And here a penny is worth penny, penny. Easily spent, copper brown, and worth 1 cent. So let's see what I get on my last spinner. Here we go. Spin, spin, spin. Oh, another nickel. I'm going to put a nickel here. And now I'm going to count how many cents I have. Let's see. I see that I have 2 nickels here and 2 nickels here. I know that each nickel is 5. So here 5 plus 5 is 10. And 5 plus 5 is another 10. So far I have 20 cents. Let's see if I can make another 10. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here is another 10. So I know that 20 plus 10 equals 30. So I have 30 and I'm going to count my remaining pennies. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. I have 36 cents. Great job, friends. Now that we are done with Number Corner, I want you to go to Seesaw and record and write some number bonds and equations together. Bye.